Alright, so here we have the BOTSLAB dash cam, and it does have 4 channels. Now this is the hardwire kit, which means that you can hook it up to your car's fuse box. 360-degree all-around protection. It has a 3.18-inch touchscreen, voice control, and built-in GPS. All the document, quick start guide, and then here is the dash cam, and they do give you a 128 BOTSLAB branded micro SD card. Here is the front camera. It does tilt and swivel a little bit. Remove before use. Actually looks really nice. We have the USB-C on the side, memory card slot on the top. We have the microphone here, another USB cord right here. And then on the bottom, we have one button down here. So why don't we go ahead and put in the memory card right now. There it is. Clicks into place. All right. And it has a sticky pad right here. And this can tilt. And it is really strong. So pretty sure that's not going to move around. All right. So what makes this dash cam so cool is this piece right here. It's very nicely tucked in there. Okay, so these are the 2 side pieces, all right, that you can put to the side. Oh, and it's magnetic. See that? See? It's magnetic. So once you put it in, just make sure that it goes in all the way. Now this does pan left and right, but it doesn't tilt up or down. So that could be better designed. And then the other side, when you put it on the wrong side like that, the magnets will repel each other. And now when you put it on the right side, it'll go in. And you'll be able to tell that it's the right side because of this gray finish here. Just like that, you have the front facing camera, the right side, the left side. Once again, I'm really amazed at all of this packaging. It's really nicely packaged. This is the reverse camera. I'm going to pull out just a little bit so that we can do a test in a little bit here, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to run the power behind it like this. So there it is. That's the startup chime, and then it's a touch screen. So we'll go with English. We'll do a GPS sync really quickly. Okay, to ensure recorder works properly, please format the card. So let's go ahead and format it.
Memory card is being formatted. Begin recording.
Okay, so there it is. We have the front facing camera, the right camera, the left camera. Go ahead and take that off. Now you can see the camera has a pretty wide angle of view. So there it is. I'm gonna install it and then we will test it out and see how good this video dash cam is. All right, so here it is. I just finished installing it and this is how it looks in my car. It looks really nice, looks discreet. And I like the really big screen, and you can swivel the cameras left and right like this. On the right side, that's where the other camera is, and then you can kind of see the view is really wide, so I really like that. And here's the rear camera that is right next to my Vantrue camera. I haven't taken it off, but this camera is actually really good to the point where I did take off my Vantrue camera. Now the Vantrue is one of my favorite camera, but you know what? I think I'm gonna go with this BOTSLAB because it's actually really good. So here is the front camera. As you can see, we have the date, the time, the speed, and the coordinates displayed at the bottom, which is a really nice feature to have. And this here is the right camera. As you can see, it also displays the information at the bottom as well. And what I really like about this BOTSLAB dashcam is that it records audio to all 4 video footages. So the front, the right, the left, the rear, they all get audio. This is the microphone test of the dashcam. This is the BOTSLAB dashcam microphone test. This is how the audio quality sounds like. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So overall, if you're looking for a dash cam that, you know, has more than just the front and the right, you want like all around, you know, video footage, then I would highly recommend this BOTSLAB dash cam. The image quality is there, the video quality is there, the build quality is there as well. So get yourself one.